Okay, so this is part 2, right? I couldn't stitch together the videos and I don't have the time. So it's uh, a fast wireless charger plugged into my wall USB, plugged into the USB wall outlet. And this is one of those things where this used to hold a charge, but it's got a little crank and it gives you some light. Okay, so when I put this in here, see, the moment I put this in there, it starts to blink. So somebody please enlighten me as to why it's blinking, why it's turning on. Okay. Maybe drones one day will have a landing pad, like on a rooftop. A landing pad for drones on a rooftop with fast charging like this. If this were a drone, land your drone, have it charge. If it needs to take off, if it's used to hop onto the next pad, so be it. Just an idea. I like to share ideas. Adios.